Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach y'all how to make this Moana centerpiece. It's really easy to make. Okay. We will be using this vase, the cylinder vase. We will be using a foam. We will be using this raffia, and you can find this also. You can find all this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Then your liais color, will be using these for the flowers. There's the pink, the green, and the yellow. We will also be using this elastic roll. And I found these at the Toys R Us. Everything was 50% off. Comes with Moana and Pua. Okay, let's get started. First, we will get the elastic, and you can sew it or you can glue it on your base. Once you do that, I have a cardboard here that I done, and you can cut up and do it also. It's a little over the 7 inches. You will also need 2 rolls of tulle. I used the orange, pink, and the gold. What you will do is that you will wrap it around the cardboard, go all around it. This makes it a lot easier where you don't have to be cutting it individually, and just continue . Go around it. You can do this as many times as you want. If you want to go faster, I'm kind of just showing you the giving you an example of how to do it. And you cut the ends, and there you go. You get your pieces. And I've already have one right here that I got it started, and as you can see, here's the elastic, and you're just gonna rotate the colors, the orange, pink, and then the gold, the orange, pink, and then the gold. And what you do, you get your tool, put it right here where the elastic is, make a little knot, pull it back, and then just continue to go until you fill the whole elastic. Then, when you're done, put it over your base. And there's the little tutu that's on it. Then you're gonna get your foam, put it in here. If you can, and then you will put the Rafa on the foam. Now you don't have to use Rafa, you can use any kind of pearls, ribbon. Doesn't necessarily have to be this. And these come, there's 3 of them in the package. And they're just $1 at the dollar store. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a whole bunch of glue. Fill it up with glue. Real good. Be careful you don't get burned. Rafa. We're going to put it all around there. Kind of hold it, kind of secure it. Where the glue can, you know, dry up. Go ahead and cut the rest of it. Glue. Okay, then what you will do, you will get your flowers. I'm getting the orange and the yellow. Cut them up and then you can glue them together. And on the pink, I'm just going 1 time. Or I guess you can put 2. Yeah, I'm kind of doing the same color on the pink because I really do like the pink. And then you just continue to go all around it. Then you're going to, now on the top you can put some craft paper. Make a circle, put a craft paper, whatever you would like to put. Then you're going to glue your Moana. And then your Bua. And then you can do your number, and I will have a tutorial where I will be teaching y'all how to do your numbers out of styrofoam. Very, very easy. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to follow me